For Lacombe-Panoka, followed by Calgary-Curry.
Mr. Speaker, AMVIC, the Motor Vehicle Industry Council, is the province's regulator for the auto industry. AMVIC enforces legislation, investigates complaints, and protects Albertans against unfair business practices. A recent investigation, however, suggested that AMVIC is dropping the ball and that Albertans are getting gouged by some dealerships for hundreds of dollars in bogus fees. To the Minister, how widespread is the practice of Albertans getting gouged, and how have you allowed this to happen under your watch?
Honourable Minister of Transportation.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The fact is, I think I'm referring to the same thing that the honourable member did, and if I am, the case is the cases where people were being charged for services not received or actually as a result of an investigation done through AMVIC in this government. So this is where it's being characterized as the system not working, Mr. Speaker. It's actually an example of the system working very well. And I think there's some people that have worked very hard and continue to investigate and make sure that Albertans get fair value when they do business in this province.
Honourable member.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Given that the Automobile Protection Association, an industry watchdog, has shockingly stated that it believes AMVIC is actually colluding with dealerships to have these fees forced on hardworking Albertans, has the minister investigated these extremely disturbing allegations?
Mr. Speaker, the member is talking about somebody who has made a statement. If there's and he's talking about, I think, illegal activity. I think the correct place to take a question about illegal activity would be to the police, Mr. Speaker. And if that's the case, I'm sure they'll investigate, and I'm sure they'll get to the bottom of it. But I can tell you, Mr. Speaker, that AMVIC and this government work very hard to make sure that when Albertans do business, they're treated fairly. They do business in an environment where they can trust the rules that make sure that they get fair value when they do business in Alberta.
The honourable member Calgary-Curry. No, sorry, you have one more, Lacombe-Panoka?
One more.
Third and final.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Given news today that AMVIC has just fired several of its senior investigators after these revelations surfaced, and given that 3 weeks ago the minister stated, and I quote, "This is a very serious issue that demands the attention of government," will the minister finally do his job, uphold the integrity of the regulator, and protect Albertans from predatory practices?
You know what, Mr. Speaker, as the honourable member ought to know, the AMVIC is an arm's-length organisation, and the honourable member also ought to know it's somewhat inappropriate to comment on internal personal matters. If I'll tell you what, the Minister of Service Alberta is involved in some internal restructuring. I don't know whether it's really related to what the minister is asking, because he hasn't been extra clear. But I can tell you what, if he has somebody concerned about activity that they don't think is legal, the police is the right place to ask the question, and I'm sure that they will investigate that fully.
The honourable member Calgary-Curry, followed by Calgary-Buffalo.
Thank you.